Foundries and forging operations are at the core of modern manufacturing, producing high-strength metal components for industries such as automotive, aerospace, railways, construction, heavy engineering, energy, and industrial machinery. From metal melting and casting to forging, heat treatment, machining, and finishing, manufacturers require precise process control, strict quality management, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of foundry and forging operations while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, production planning, pattern management, melting, casting, forging, heat treatment, machining, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize furnace utilization, forging press capacity,